This is the secret to beautiful flowers and thriving plants in your garden. If you've never used this before, you need to start now. I'll show you how and why it works. It's an excellent natural fertilizer for many plants. First, take a cube of yeast. Get a container and pour in some water. Break the yeast into smaller pieces. It can even be expired yeast that you would normally throw away. Stir well until it fully dissolves with no lumps. Once mixed, let the solution sit for 15 minutes. To use it, dilute 1 quart of yeast water in 2.5 gallons of clean water. Yeast is much cheaper than chemical fertilizers and far healthier. Just water your plants with this mixture, and you'll see stronger, more vibrant blooms. Repeat the yeast fertilization every 2-3 weeks, and you'll notice the difference. Give this to your flowers, and even those scorched by the sun will revive. It's a supplement you can make at home, and it helps all weakened plants. If the leaves of your plants are sunburned or dried out, you can help your plant recover. All you need are supplements that you might already have in your medicine cabinet. Folic acid helps plants maintain healthy metabolism and DNA. Folic acid is also known as vitamin B9. It stimulates growth and accelerates flowering. Glycine is an amino acid that is a fundamental component of plant tissues and chlorophyll. Thanks to glycine, the process of photosynthesis proceeds correctly, resulting in healthy, greener leaves. Take 1 tablet of folic acid and 1 tablet of glycine. Crush them in a mortar and pestle as finely as possible. Transfer the crushed tablets into a container of water. Mix well until they are completely dissolved. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and use it to spray the leaves of the plants, as well as to water them regularly. You will quickly notice an improvement. The plants will revive, become lush and green, and begin to bloom beautifully. On the stakes in the garden, tie bundles with soap. You will be surprised by their action. This soap has an unusual application in the garden. You will get to know it right away. Choose the soap with the sharpest and strongest scent. Cut the soap bar into smaller pieces. You can cut this soap with scissors, but if you have a harder soap, use a knife or a vegetable grater. Smaller pieces of soap are needed. Prepare a cloth and cut it. You will get several smaller pieces. Place pieces of soap on each piece of cloth. Divide roughly evenly. Take a string, make such a pouch and tie it. Do the same with the remaining pieces of cloth with soap. The string must be a bit longer. You will have these bundles. Also, take stakes for the field. Hammer them at the plot boundary. Tie 1 soap pouch to each stake. The stakes can be at different distances. Why am I doing this? The soap will deter deer. When vegetables are growing in the garden or you have young trees, the strong scent of soap will deter them. During rain, some of the soap will dissolve and flow into the ground. At ground level, the scent will deter rabbits. That's why you should drive in stakes with soap at the plot boundary. It will be an invisible barrier to pests such as deer and rabbits. When the soap dissolves or is blown away, hang up new ones. And you're done. You have a chance that your harvest will remain intact. This is how I water my pelargoniums. My balcony will be bursting with flowers. The method is really simple. Just pour 1 liter of water into a pitcher. Then add a whole packet of dry yeast. Yeast is rich in minerals like potassium and amino acids that support root development and plant growth. Add 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds. Coffee contains nitrogen, a key nutrient for fast growth and abundant flowering. Now add 2 small teaspoons of sugar. Mix everything well until the ingredients dissolve and form a uniform mixture. Prepare a pitcher with 5 liters of water and pour in the entire mixture. Simply take a glass of this magical mixture and water all your pelargoniums with it. Use it regularly and you'll notice an amazing difference. Even the pelargoniums that seemed weak will come back to life. This natural care method will keep your flowers healthy, strong, and beautiful all season long. I feed my seedlings with this homemade fertilizer, and they grow like crazy. This mix can replace many expensive fertilizers. Prepare a glass container and add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda can help improve soil condition, support soil balance, and is often used in home plant care. Next, take turmeric and add 1 teaspoon. Turmeric is valued for its natural protective properties and for supporting healthy plant growth. The next ingredient is bay leaves. Add about 4 leaves. They contain natural plant oils and enrich the mixture with valuable compounds. The next ingredient is sugar. Add 2 tablespoons. Sugar helps activate natural processes in the mixture and supports microorganisms in the soil. Finally, use mint tea. Mint contains natural essential oils such as menthol, whose scent may help repel some small pests. The last ingredient is warm milk. Milk contains calcium and nutrients that may support seedling growth. Mix everything thoroughly, then strain it. Now pour some of the finished solution into a watering can, add water and mix again. Water your seedlings with this fertilizer, and you will quickly notice stronger stems, healthier leaves, and faster growth. Regular use will help your plants stay strong, green, and well-developed. 1 tablespoon of this powder can save plants that are sick and tired from the heat. Turmeric is known for its strong antifungal and antibacterial properties. To prepare this plant-saving mixture, take turmeric and add 1 teaspoon to a liter of warm water, then stir. If you've recently transplanted your plant and it needs extra nutrients, add 1 more ingredient. Prepare 100 milliliters of milk and mix it into the water with turmeric, stirring well. Before using this mixture, strain it through cheesecloth to remove any solids. Pour the strained mixture into a spray bottle and apply it to your plants. Avoid spraying directly on the leaves, as this may cause them to dry out. Instead, apply the mixture to the soil or the plant stems regularly every few weeks. Your plants will revive and flourish. Geraniums will bloom like never before, covering your entire balcony or terrace. This simple fertilizer costs nothing and eliminates the need for expensive commercial fertilizers. This liquid is completely free and rich in the essential nutrients for healthy plant growth. It contains nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and trace elements that support plant development. It's perfect for watering geraniums, and you'll see amazing results in no time. This wonderful fertilizer is made from crushed onion peels. All you need are 2 handfuls of onion peels. Pour a liter of hot water over them. Let the mixture sit overnight. The next day, the fertilizer is ready to use. For watering geraniums, dilute the onion peel fertilizer with an additional liter of water. Your geraniums will reward you with beautiful flowers. For use as a spray, you can use the onion mixture without diluting it. Pour the fertilizer into a spray bottle. The onion extract acts as a natural pesticide. Its strong smell repels unwanted insects without harming the plants or the environment. It's excellent for protecting against aphids. Regular use guarantees complete protection.